In this lecture, we will learn how to generate a complex sine wave from a complex number. This is based on Euler's formula, which states that exponent to the power j theta is equal to cos theta plus j sine theta. To generate a complex sine wave from this equation, we replace theta with 2 pi ft plus phi, where f is the frequency of the complex sine wave and phi is the phase angle of the complex sine wave. By replacing theta with this value, we get the equation of a complex sine wave. In this equation, the cosine term represents the real part of the complex sine wave, and the sine term represents the imaginary part. If we plot this equation, we will see the complex sine wave with the real part shown in blue and the imaginary part shown in black. The generation of this complex wave is one of the many applications of complex numbers in science and engineering. This complex sine wave is very useful in many engineering applications, especially in signal processing, where it is often used to convolve with a signal in order to obtain a filtered version. It is also important in many other applications across science and engineering. Now, let us move to Python and see how we can generate this complex sine wave using Python.